Hello everyone. So as we know, recently the results for CSE 17 came out, and like every year there were lots of success stories, and we just thought of making a fun video where we recount our own experiences of when we saw the result last year and how we felt. We have tried to get some other people also involved into this and have taken their clips. Hope you enjoy it and get motivated. All the best.
So जब मेरा रिजल्ट आया देन मैं मॉल पे थी और आई वॉज डूइंग शॉपिंग, तो मेरे एक दोस्त ने मुझे कॉल करके बोला कि फाइनली हो गया तेरा एंड यू गॉट AIR 50। तो खुशी हुई और फिर मैं आई वॉज रिलैक्स्ड कि चलो काम ख़त्म हुआ। एंड फिर बहुत सारे कॉल्स आए, कॉल्स अटेंड की एंड हाँ उसके बाद थोड़ी सी सिंक इन हुआ कि अच्छा हाँ सेलेक्ट हो गए फाइनली, और सर्विस भी अपने मन की मिल जाएगी। So it was like this.
How did your parents feel?
They felt good. पापा साथ में थे नहीं, तो उन्हें थोड़ा लेट पता चला। मम्मी was with me, तो उनको थोड़ा शॉपिंग ज़्यादा करानी पड़ गई, बस ऐसे।
Hello everyone, and yeah, so about the winning moment, it's not been a long time, still pretty fresh in my memory. It was 31st of May 2017 and I was in my office and very much expecting the result. I didn't want to see it myself though, but I mean I was still refreshing the website. So a friend of mine called me, a college friend, and he asked me my roll number because he had already seen the name probably. And when I told him, he told me that I got whatever a rank in the top 10. So I didn't believe him, obviously I said that. But somehow at the back of my mind I knew that he wouldn't lie about this, and I went back and checked the PDF and it was a surreal moment, let's say. And then I came out and I was pretty numb at that time, but when I called home, first my mom and then my dad, and it was a great moment. Obviously it was a moment I had dreamt of and still gives me goosebumps. And well, after that it was a flurry of calls from relatives and friends and everyone, so very special moments for me. That's it.
Okay, so I was at my house when I was seeing the result, and so first I couldn't log in to UPSC site or whatever, so I got this PDF from a random social media platform, and I couldn't believe it because I searched my name and I found it and there was my rank, and then I checked it on UPSC site and it was there, and not kidding, my hands were shaking and I was almost about to drop my phone, but my parents were just right next to my room, and I went and I told them, and my mom started crying and my dad was like, I've seen him the happiest then. Actually at the night I was just lying down and I just could get that feeling was there, that it sunk in that I had become what I wanted to become, and that's it.
When the results came out last year, I was in Nasen. Some of our friends were sitting in a room and the news came that results have come. So we started watching, the list was opened and somebody shouted, I think it was Kumar Sani Raj, who said, Abhilash Mishra, 5th rank. I thought, is it a reality or I am in a dream or what? So I asked him to just check my roll number. So what we did eventually was, we were matching my roll number digit wise, 0, 6, 5, 6, 4, 0, 1. And when all the digits had matched, I was still not believing that it was a reality, but indeed it was, and probably now the feeling has sunk in really.
So I learned about my rank from my fiance. He called me and told me. So there were rumors that the results were coming on that day, but I wasn't, I couldn't check it myself. So when I learned about it, obviously I was excited because I had spent too many years into it, and this was something that I was hoping for. And then the euphoria stays only for 5 minutes. After that, you start thinking about what you will get, where you will go, etc., etc. So that was it.
बता दो कब तुम्हें कैसा लगा?
वो तो याद नहीं।
क्या था ये वीडियो, क्या था? हाँ याद आ गया। Yeah, so hello everyone and this time no sorry हाथ ऐसे रखूं या नहीं रखूं?
मेरे को ही एडिट करना है।
मेरे को मदद करना नहीं करना।
I love it when you like act in English also. Seriously, Utkarsh, this will go on.